Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. So Katrin from European Papercrafts reached out to me and she asked if I would be willing to be a guest designer for her store. And I said, absolutely, I'd be honored to. And this is from European Papercrafts, and I will be leaving a link to Katrin's store in the description area below, also with links to each and every single one of the items in my DT package. And her website is 3dcardmaking.com. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right down to it. And I apologize for the glare, by the way. This is the best that I can do with my lighting. So yeah, let me go ahead and hold items like this, so that you can see them better. And so the first thing that I have is a 6x6 double-sided paper from Prima. It is from the Havana collection, and she has also sent me the chipboard stickers from Prima Havana, and this is what they look like. Oh, they are so pretty. I'm so excited to work with this because I've never worked with this collection before. And I also have a 6x6 Scrapberries paper from their Butterflies collection. It is so cute. And you know what? Let me go ahead and open the package so we can look at the papers together. Yeah, it's a heck of a lot easier without all that glare. So look at this. This is so pretty. This is the first time that I'm seeing these live right here. And so look how pretty these are. They're so super pretty. I love these. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for a 6x6 mini album. You know, those chipboard mini albums that we like to make. And this is excellent paper. It's not flimsy, so hear that out. Hear that. See that? It's not flimsy paper. And look how beautiful it is. I just love this. Love this. And look at that. That has some vintage to it. It's very shabby chic, very lovely. And look at this one. This is absolutely marvelous. Oh my gosh, look at this one. How pretty is that? And oh my word, I guess you can use it like this, or you can use it like this. It's very beautiful. And look at this one. How cute is that? How pretty. Look at that. So the name of this collection again is this is the 6x6 Scrapberries paper Butterflies, okay? And don't worry, I'm going to go ahead and link you to all of this in the area underneath this video. So yeah, that's this collection. I guess let's go ahead and take a look at the Prima Havana that she has sent. I'm sure that many of you have already seen this collection because it's been around for a while. And so, but let's go ahead and look at it right here and now. This is so super pretty. Once again, oh, this is a double-sided collection, so there we go. I guess we look at it like so. Very pretty, very shabby chic. I can't wait to play with this. And look at that. And oh my word, look at this. So pretty. Very nice. Oh, and I love this. And look at that. Very flowery, very gentle, very feminine. Love that. There we go. And look at that. That is so super pretty. So super cute. And oh, this is so beautiful. Look at that. The birdies. Oh, wow. This is awesome. This has got to be my favorite of all the Havana designs. And look at the back. It's so super pretty. So we have that, and I've already shown you the stickers, and I've shown you this collection. And also what I have here are some assorted easy 3D toppers. And let me go ahead and get these out of the bag. And that'll be like so. Oh, look how pretty. We have a rose. We have another rose. And look at that. It's so super pretty. Here's an umbrella. Oh, such lovely designs. I can't wait to get started on my projects. This is so super cute. And we have also a cupcake. Let me get it out of the... Oh! Is that chocolate? Whipped cream and chocolate? Or Oh gosh, now I'm hungry. And this is a chocolate cupcake. And I guess what we do with something like this is we pop dot it. You know, like this piece can go on top of this piece, and then this piece can go on top of that piece to make it dimensional. Whether you're working with a mini album or a card. And look at this kitten. Oh my gosh, I love kittens. Oh. Oh, how cute. How cute. Okay, and so here we have like so, and then another one like so, and then for the yarn like so. I guess we can go ahead and 3D it just like that. How pretty are these kittens? They're so cute. I love them. So let me put this to the side, and we have this other beautiful image right here, and this one is the let's see. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a teacup with a rose bouquet in it, and here is this part over here, and then this part over here. It's absolutely beautiful. And we have these, and let's see. This is so super cute. How do I open it? And oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at that. And then we have this part that goes right along here. And you can put this part right along here. Like, I think like this. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. That is so super pretty. So that was the Easy 3D Toppers. And now this right here is called the Paper Mania Notelets. And let's see what we have. And just like so. Oh, look at that. How pretty. This is so elegant. It's done in iridescent paper, and the design is so beautiful, so elegant. You can go shabby with this, wedding, or just an elegant card with something like this. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And so over here, this blingy piece right here, and let me go ahead and get it out of the bag so that you can see it better. This one is called a crystal topper. And there we go. Let's open it like so. And you can use this to frame a picture in your layout, if you like to use this in a layout, or you can use this in a card for card making. It's going to be fun working with these new items because I've never really had the opportunity to work with something like this, and it'll be a great experience. I'm so looking forward to using all of these items. And so the next thing that we have is, let's see, we have the crystal topper. These are from the lace cards, okay? And let me go ahead and open this up. Oh, how pretty. So that's basically it. We have some lace card bases, okay, to make cards with. This is so pretty. And look, they're not only in the front, but also in the back. So the design is on both sides. And you get the envelopes to go with them. So those are our lace cards. And now we're going to look at this right here. This is Anita's foiled decoupage. And the design here is called Flowers at Tea Time. And let me go ahead and show them to you like so. So that you can see, and let me turn it like this. Aren't these beautiful? Do that. They're so beautiful. Okay, and we also have the, what is this called? From Hunky Dory, and this is the Tea Time Treats Luxury Topper Set. Look at that. Look at that. And I believe this is a kit where we get one die cut mini topper sheet and 2 printed mini cardstock. See, I've never seen anything like this. And the thing about the European Papercrafts is that Katrin makes these items available to us right here in the States. And these are actually from European designers. And look at that. That is so interesting how they do this. Very, very nice. The designs are absolutely beautiful. Oh, and okay, so these pop out. Alrighty, and over here we have, oh, look at that. Oh, I'm so sorry about the glare, but look at that design. It's so super cute. And look at this design. Very cute too. So that is this. So this is the Hunky Dory Luxury Topper Set in Tea Time Treats. And over here we also have some 3D double adhesive foam pads. And we have some Bella Heart stickers. How cute are these? And we have some Nouveau Crystal Drops in Raspberry Pink. So let me go ahead and remove this from the package. And I've always wanted to work with these type of drops. Look at this color. It's so super beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I can't wait to make these projects. And so we also have some glitter border stickers, and this is what they look like. And they're exactly as I say, they're glitter borders that you can use on your layouts or your card making. And so yeah, this is my design team package. And Katrin, thank you so much for reaching out and inviting me to design for you. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to get started. Look at this beautiful, beautiful shabby goodness. And so yeah, once again, this the website is 3dcardmaking.com, and look for those links in the description area underneath this video. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye.